Hey guys, this is Lady J with another DIY. This candle is a candle for your summer table or your backyard table or just for dinner. This is a beach candle that I've made, and this candle also lights up with twinkle lights in the inside. So I'm going to show you just how this candle looks when it's lit. So hold on a second. Wait for it. Wait for it. And here it is, guys. So I have little twinkle lights in the bottom, and you also can put a candle in the top part of this candle. But if you're interested in how I made this candle, then just keep watching.